Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Binance app vouchers and how to redeem it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, you may receive different types of Binance vouchers as activity rewards. Each voucher offers different perks, such as free tokens, VIP level upgrades, and interest-free loans or margin trading. Just do note that all vouchers issued by Binance are non-transferable. Now just go ahead, go to home right here on your Binance app. Now tap on the Binance icon. And here, tap on more services. Now go ahead and type in rewards. Now you'll be able to see the rewards hub. Just go ahead and tap on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead and go to my vouchers. Just tap on it. As you can see here, you have two tabs, ongoing and past vouchers. All right. Now, if you do have a code or a voucher code, go to the top right and tap on this button. Now in here, you would want to put in the voucher code, for example, 12345678. Once done, hit on the done button on your keyboard, then just tap on claim voucher. All right. Once you tap on the claim voucher, it will be landed on the ongoing vouchers tab. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.